Namaskar. Today is the 9th annual day of Dream India School. A very good morning to everyone. Before we begin this joyous celebration, let us take a moment to express our gratitude to the Almighty for blessing us with good health, wisdom, and the opportunity to come together today. It is through His grace that we are able to witness the growth and achievements of our young learners, and we seek His continued guidance in all our endeavors. It is my great pleasure and privilege to welcome you all to this special occasion. Today, we are honored to have with remarkable personalities, and it is indeed a momentous occasion for us as we gather here today to celebrate the 9th annual day of our pre-primary and primary classes in first session. So this day is a reflection of the hard work, dedication and love that all of us, our teachers, parents, students have invested in nurturing these young minds of tomorrow. It is an honor to have such distinguished guests with us today. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our honorable guest for blessing us with their presence. Our Chief Speaker, Dr. Savita Mohanty ma'am. Ma'am, welcome, and you are taking your time out from your busy schedule to be with us and share your valuable insights. So we are thankful to you, ma'am. And we are privileged to have our guest of honor, Sri Ganesh Samant sir, a social worker whose contribution to society are commendable, and Sri Lakshmikant Mishra sir, Faculty of Physics, Vice Principal, Jupiter Group of Institution, ex-Vice Principal, Jupiter Group of Institution, and now he is the convener of BJP Odisha Teachers Cell. Thank you, sir, and welcome you. And our guest of honor, Sri Ashok Rath, ex-Joint Secretary School and Mass Education Odisha, who has been a guiding force for many in the education sector. So, today's event is a special one as we celebrate not just the academic achievements to our students, but also the joy of learning and growth. This year, we focused on spoken English as a key area of development for our students. And we believe that language is not just a tool for communication, but a bridge that connects hearts and minds. Through a variety of activities from storytelling, culmination activities, debates, group discussion, our students have gained confidence in expressing themselves in English. We are immensely proud of how far we have enriched our school year with a range of activities and celebrations. We have done gallery walk, science exhibition. Our students displayed their creativity, innovation and scientific temperament, making the exhibition a grand success. Here I can announce that Reading Comprehension Assessment as RCA. It is a pilot project on reading comprehension assessment. The purpose of this project is to evaluate the effectiveness of an AI-based reading comprehension assessment tool. It improves child reading ability and comprehension, leading to better academic performance and communication skill, boost learners' confidence. It started from class 1 to class 10. Then we have conducted some mothers' activities competition also. We conducted this year Mother's Rangoli competition and Dandiya celebration. These events brought our community together, celebrating culture, creativity and joy. We are pleased to introduce new digital initiatives this year, the online payment system and the parent app. Online payment system, we understand the importance of simplifying fee payments and reducing the need for in-person visits. With the introduction of our online payment system, parents can now pay school fees securely and conveniently from anywhere at any time. This system saves time, reduces paperwork, and offers multiple payment options, making the process efficient and hassle-free. Further, strengthen communication and engagement between the school and parents. We are excited to launch our parent app, and this app provides real-time updates on. We are getting the attendance records, exam results, school notices and circulars, homeworks and assignments, event notification, and students' birthday celebration. This platform allows parents to stay informed and actively participate in their child's educational journey, fostering a stronger partnership between home and school. This growth would not have been possible without the constant support of our parents. The love and encouragement you provide at home, combined with the efforts of our dedicated teachers, create a nurturing environment where our students can thrive. We deeply appreciate your partnership in this journey. Together, we are shaping the future of these young minds. I express my deepest gratitude for your relentless commitment and passion. Your involvement in the classroom goes beyond teaching. You are mentors, guides, and role models. You have instilled in our students not just knowledge, but the values of empathy, respect, and hard work. Your efforts make all the difference, and today's celebration is a tribute to your dedication. We are also excited to announce that new admissions for 2025 have already begun and will open on 2nd of January 2025. We are looking forward to welcoming new faces to our school family and continuing the legacy of excellence in education. A heartfelt thanks to our teachers, admin officers, and support staff for ensuring the smooth functioning of our school and events. Without your tireless efforts, behind the scenes today's celebration would not have been possible. I would like also extend a special thanks to the SOA team for their invaluable support in organizing today's event. Before I conclude, I would like to share a small story with you. A story about a little child whose name Robbie, who came to school for the first time. Very nervous and unsure, his parents too were filled with anxiety about how he would adjust to school. But day by day, Ravi began to grow more confident. He learned to speak up in class, made new friends, and started participating in various activities. His parents, who initially worried about his future, soon saw how their child blossomed in the supportive environment of the school. They understood that the key to Ravi's growth was not just academic, but the love and encouragement they provided at home, the guidance from his teachers, and the opportunity he had to express himself. The moral of the story is very simple. Together, as parents and educators, we hold the power to save the future of our children. The role you play as parents is indispensable, and the role our teachers play in guiding them is invaluable. But most importantly, it is the child who, with the support of all of us, discovers their potential and takes the first step towards greatness. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all our guests, parents, grandparents, and well-wishers. Today is a celebration of the hard work and achievements of our students, the dedication of our teachers, and the unwavering support of our parents. Let us continue to work together, hand in hand, to ensure that the young minds we nurture today will be the leaders, thinkers, and visionaries of tomorrow. Thank you all for being here today. Let us enjoy this beautiful occasion, celebrate the talents of our children, and look forward to a bright future ahead. Wishing everyone a wonderful and memorable annual day. Thank you. Namaskar. Vande Mataram.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Respected Principal Ma'am, Chief Speaker Ma'am, respected guest of honors on the dais, and the respected audience of the dais, parents, members of print and electronic media, and all the people present here. I am very much thankful to the organization that it has given me the opportunity to speak something before you on this dais as a guest of yours. Before speaking something, I have to speak about the name of the school, that is Dream India School. The school which dreams for developed India. The school which dreams for developed India. विकसित भारत जोटा 21 शताब्दी रे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आकांक्षार कथा से विषय रे जो स्कूल रो ना रे अछि मु विश्वास करिछि आगामी दिन रे भारत रो विकास रे भारत को विश्वगुरु करिबारे और विकसित भारत करिबारे ए स्कूल रो भी अल्प बहुत अवदान रहिबो। आ 2047 तो बहुत दिन अच्छी निश्चित भाव रे स्कूल भारत रे तथा विश्व रे ना करिबो ए आशा और विश्वास मु पोषण करूछि ए मंच उपरे। तीनटा विषय रे कहिबी जेतले ड्रीम कथा आसुछि I have to quote former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who once said, you should not dream in the sleep, you have to dream in the daytime so that the dream should not make you sleep. तुम्हें स्वप्न देखा जो स्वप्न तुमको स्वाई देव नहीं। तुम्हें स्वप्न देख जो स्वप्न तुमको स्वाई देव ना सेमती स्वप्न देख और जे पर्यंत तुम्हें तुमर स्वप्न को पाई ना साकार करना से पर्यंत तुम्हें कर्म रे उद्बुद्ध हो से पर्यंत तुम्हें कर्म रे आगा। द्वितीय शब्द अच्छे आपणकर इंडिया। When I am talking about India, I have to talk about Indianness, Bharatiyata, because this era is talking about National Education Policy 2020, which is the new education policy which talks about the holistic development of the students. मझिरे पिला मानू कह जाउथिला जे गोटिए सब्जेक्ट रे तुमे पढो एबे तुम मानू को कहछि दीटा सब्जेक्ट साइमल्टेनियसली पढी परिबो तीनटा सब्जेक्ट रे पढी परिबो के कहि परिबो एठी पिला जे अछि से काली भारत प्रधानमंत्री न हबो के कहि परिबो एठी जो पिला अछि से काली जने बड़ा साइंटिस्ट न हबो के कहि परिबो एठी जने भलो संगीतज्ञ होई परिबोनी के कहि परिबो एठी जने भलो अभिनेता होई परिबोनी के भलो गोटे क्रिकेटर होई परिबोनी। निश्चित भाव में एठी कहा भितर को संभावना अछि से संभावना को बुझीबा और से संभावना को रूप देबा से संभावना को गोटे मूर्ति रूप में गढ़ा से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सृष्टि आ ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रथम दिन मैडम मु आपण मान सांगे अच्छी मोर गोटे पुओ ये पढ़ी के पास कर सारी आउ गोटे पुओ भी पढ़ुची मु भी आपण मान भली जड़े पेरेंट्स द्वितीय विषय है when I am talking about school, I have to speak about education, and education involves three things. The main plant of the education is obviously the organization which is run by the management, which is run by the faculties or the teachers. तेणु ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रे जो शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री बा अध्यापक अध्यापिका मैंने अच्छी से नमस्कार करुछि से अभिनंदन जनाऊँगी जे आपण माने भविष्य भारत विकसित भारत करने ये जो भविष्य वंशधर अच्छा जो माने भविष्य में वैश्विक नागरिक हेबे यदि वर्ल्ड क्लास सिटीजन हेबे एवं तांका भितरे मैडम जमी कहला आमर चीफ स्पीकर जे खाली पाठ पढ़ेले हेब नहीं पाठ सहित देयर मस्ट बी होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट दी टीचिंग मस्ट बी हैविंग सम होलिस्टिक अप्रोच कहले तार व्यक्तित्वर विकास हवा दरकार तार व्यक्तित्व भारतीय ऐतिह्य परंपरा संस्कृति की नहीं गढ़ी हवा दरकार ता भितर भारतीय भावना रहा दरकार किंतु आमको मध्य आमरी पाठ कहूची जे वसुधैव कुटुंबकम से वर्ल्ड क्लास सिटीजन भी हमार आवश्यकता रही तेणु से दिगरे आपण मैंने लक्ष्य करेंगे किंतु जो नुआ एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आसी से नुआ एजुकेशन पॉलिसी कहूची 30 पिलारे जड़े शिक्षक खाली शिक्षक अपॉइंटमेंट देले भी हम ना से भल मंद भी बुझार विषय मैनेजमेंट को मुझे अनुरोध करी आपण विषय को सरकार पाखे पहुँचेवा जदि गुंडीचिंसा भली सेतु बांधार छोटिया प्रयास भी मुझे करी सन्देह ना मुझे ये कथा रखुची गुंडीचिंसा भली जहाँ सहयोग करने कथा मुझे निश्चित भाव में करी इस अनुष्ठान उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति कामना करी मोर वक्तव्य सांग करुच्ची जय जगन्नाथ वंदे उत्कल जननी भारत माता की जय।
Good morning to all esteemed guests on the dais, esteemed principal, respected teacher and parents and my dear students. Really, this is a great day for all the members, those who are associated with this institution. So, as a speaker, I am going to first tell you I am not a orator, but I have 35 years of teaching experience. Whatever I have gained as my experience, out of that I will speak something specifically to parents, to teachers and to other members of the organization. With folded hands, I request parents and teachers, please kindly save our society. Please kindly save our nation. Because all of us know how the situation of the society is now going on. Every day we are getting information from different angles how the society is going to be destroyed. The question may arise in your mind that how the parents and teacher can save the society. That is my main topic to speak about what is the role of the parents and what is the role of teacher for shaping the personality of the kids. The students now, those who are in lower classes, they are like plain paper or like a plain slate. Even you can say them as the raw mud. Whatever shape you want to give them, if you try properly, you can give that shape. But when the child will grow up and enter the teen age, which is very crucial for them, it is too difficult on the part of the college teachers and on the part of the parents to control the students during that, to modify or to shape the personality during that period. So the most important time for the kids in order to shape their personality, this is the high time to shape the personality. So what should be the role of the parents and what should be the role of the teacher? Actually, there is two words always we are using interchangeably, which means the same for the layman, but which is different for an educationist. The word being literate and being educated. There is a great difference between being literate and being educated. Actually, the parents and also the teachers are more giving emphasis on being literate. What is the meaning of being literate and what is the meaning of being educated? Being literate here means, in my language, just the holder of certificates, certificate holder. But to know how to read, to know how to write, and to know how to communicate with the other person. That is called literacy, on the basis of which we are getting different degrees and we are getting different certificates. But being educated is a different, it is a broader concept. It includes literacy, a part of it, a one dimension of educated. But without literacy also, one illiterate person can also be called as educated. Educated means we must possess all the social values, moral values, and ethics, different type of behaviors comes under education. Because the meaning of real education is modification of human behavior. We want to make someone as human being. We must develop the humanity among the students, the qualities of humanity among the students, so that they can be considered as they are the being educated or they are educated. Getting a certificate is not education. The illiterate person who is working on the field also can be considered as educated person if their behavior is socially acceptable and they are also contributing a great thing for the society. So it's the duty of the parents to look after the child, to observe the child, leaving many of your work even, because a child is very valuable for the parents. The child is coming to the school and spending hardly, I am talking about the small child, those who are in the LKG, UKG like this. For them, they are coming to the school for 3 to 4 hours maximum. But rest of the time, they are spending with their parents. Now we are living in a nuclear family. There is no joint family. So while we are talking about the family, means only parents. The parents should be the friend, philosopher and guide for the child. Always they must have a observation attitude towards the child, for the child, what they are doing, and share your time with them and allow the child to be free in front of the family members, in front of the parents. The parents should see what the child wants to do. We should not give more emphasis on quantity of literacy. How much mark you have secured? Why you have got so much less mark in the examination. Examination is not the real instrument to measure the ability of the students. So many factors are there. As time is very limited, already we have spent, it requires at least 5 to 6 hours to explain how education is not, how examination is not the real measuring instrument of the ability of the students. So many factors works. So don't give so much of importance on that. You have to see the values of the child. What the child keeps in his mind, what type of values. How the child is behaving with the parents. How the child is behaving with the teachers. How the child is behaving with the other members of the society. These children are the future generation of our nation. Our nation depends on the future of this child. So we have to see that. Whatever the child want to do, let us see. If you want to modify, that if you are not satisfied with the purpose of the child, with the activities of the child, then you have to adopt a very, very simple and very subtle way of modifying the child. Instead of giving them slap or scolding them like anything. So it's the duty of the parents. Secondly, as we are living in the nuclear family due to many reasons, but we must give importance to our original family, joint family, where grandparents are living, whether they are living with you or they are living outside. You please keep contact with your child, with the grandparents, because for shaping the personality of the students, for shaping the personality of the child, it is highly essential the contribution of the grandparents, because they are, even if they are illiterate, but they have experiences which is more than a teacher. Experience gives many things, teaches many things to the child. So don't keep away from the grandparents. Always encourage your children, always speak about their grandparents and about them. Let them encourage to interact with the grandparents during the vacation, during the holidays. So their personality will be very good. Because personality has many dimensions. It has many dimensions. And this educational achievement is only one dimension of it, not the other dimension. Like I am telling that physical dimension, mental dimension, spiritual dimension, then emotional dimension and social dimension. So we need the all-round development of the child. The
स्टूडेंट मान को मोर बहुत बहुत स्नेह। प्रथम मु गायत्री मैडम को धन्यवाद जनइबी आज से मत आज डाकी केवल आज कहीं से स्कूल सब प्रोग्राम में मत सामिल करती मत तो लगे जो ड्रीम इंडिया स्कूल गोटे सदस्य बोली आठिकार टीचर स्टाफ आ स्टूडेंट माने एते एक्टिव आते भद्र नम्र सब बड़े आसिक मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाए व्यवहार से मत लगुच गोटे ड्रीम इंडिया स्कूल गोटे सदस्य आउ सब अभिभावक मान कहबी जे दयाकोरी आप पिला कौन टास्क को इम्पोज करतुनि कि भावतुनि जे सब कंपेयर करतुनि अन्य पिला सहित जे से पिला एमती कला तू कर तू सेमती करू प्रत्येक पिला निज निज भितर अनन्य तार निजस्व गुण अच्छी गोटे फूल फुटब जमती गोटे पिलार गुण सेमती गोटे फूल भाई आसी फुटब निश्चित फुटब आपण खाली टिके ताको धैर्य दिंतु ताको संभालतु ताको प्रस्फुटित करने साहाय्य करतु सपोर्ट करतु देखिए आ पिला माने मु आपको एतिकी कहूँ तुम मान सब मन रखिथे आपण जीवन में दुईटी माने जिनस गोटे होती आपको जो जन्म देती आपण पितामाता ତାଙ୍କୁ କେବେ ବି ଅସମ୍ମାନ କରିବେନି, ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ସମ୍ମାନ କରୁଥିବେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ମାନୁଥିବେ ତାଙ୍କ କଥା। ଆଉ ଜଣେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟିଚର, ଯିଏକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ କର୍ମମୟ ଜୀବନକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିବେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ କଥା ସବୁବେଳେ ମାନିକି ଚଳୁଥିବେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅନ୍ତରରେ ସମ୍ମାନ କରୁଥିବେ, ଭକ୍ତି କରୁଥିବେ। ଦେଖିବେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଆପଣମାନେ ହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣେ ଡକ୍ଟର, ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର, ଜାତୀୟ ଆନ୍ତର୍ଜାତୀୟ ସ୍ତରରେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟକୁ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠିତ କରିବ। ତେଣୁକରି ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆଜି ବହୁତ ଡେରି ହେଲାଣି, ପିଲାମାନେ ବହୁତ ସାଂସ୍କୃତିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପୁରା ଅନେଇକି ବସିଛନ୍ତି। ତ ଶୀତୁଆ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆମେ ଆଜି ସାଂସ୍କୃତିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିବା। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆଉ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ଏତିକି କହିକି ବିଦାୟ ନେଉଛି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।